Hi everyone, and welcome to the Bulker tutorial series. In this video, we are mastering the Manage dashboard. As you can see, I currently have 51 open positions running. You can open as many positions as you want with Bulker, but now let's learn how to control them. Navigate to the Manage tab. This is your command center. You can perform bulk actions on your entire portfolio or target specific groups like just your winners or just your losers. The options are limitless. For example, you can add USDT to all your losing positions to fix your entry price. Or you can close positions with incredible precision. You can close 25%, 50%, 75%, or even 100% of your winning positions. To clarify, if you select close 25% of winners, the app will sell 25% of the bag for each winning position, keeping the rest 75% open to ride the trend. You can also filter by direction, closing only your winning longs or losing shorts. You can even close based on performance, such as close top 5 positions with the most profit. You can switch between all these modes instantly. Now let's execute. First, let's secure some profit. I am selecting close 100% of all winners. Click Execute. The Smart Queue instantly processes the request, closing every single green position in your portfolio to lock in gains. Now that we've taken profit, let's look at what's left. We mostly have losing positions remaining. But let's say we have some new winners and want to take partial profit. You can select close 50% of winners. This keeps the trades open but secures half your profit instantly. Finally, let's manage the red positions. I want to lower my entry price by dollar cost averaging. I'm selecting Add to Losers. I will add 0.5 USDT to every losing position. Click Execute. The system validates and instantly adds margin to all selected trades. You can track every single action in the Logs tab to see exactly what was executed. And don't forget to check your profile stats to see your total trading volume and history. The Manage page gives you total control over hundreds of positions with a single click. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.